Hello there. I want to do another kiss pour, but I want to do a single colour in one container, which is my cup of white, and then the other colours are my mixture, which I'm sorry, I don't know if you can see that properly, but I have tipped into my container green, purple, yellow, crimson, ultramarine blue and vermilion, and I'm going to tip that out in the kiss pour onto the canvas to completely cover it, tilt it and see what the results are. I want to use bright, vibrant colours to celebrate summer starting in New Zealand. So I will start doing that now. I'm sorry, I know you really couldn't see very well how I was pouring that because it would have been right in front of the camera. But I started out pouring it fairly high, about 4, maybe 5 inches above the canvas, and then as the circle got bigger, I lowered it closer to get more definition in the lines. So once I get rid of these air bubbles, I'm going to get my gloves on and I'm going to start to tilt the painting to see what I can get from that. I'm already liking the centerpiece, so I'll probably be tilting off quite a bit of the yellow, and I'm going to just run some white now around the edges to help it to tilt. I don't know if it will actually need much help on the width, but I think it might need some extra help here on the length. I'm going to have to get some white out of my container to finish off, as that cup is emptied now, so I'll just run a fine line across there and out, and do that just as a kind of a paint guide. I don't know how well it works. I should say it works okay. I have done that before, and it kind of helps to guide the paint down towards the corners. So I'll get my gloves on now and start tilting. I will now bring this up closer to the camera to show you. I tipped off the centre because I didn't like it. The beauty of having the extra paint to be able to tip off the canvas. That is vibrant, attractive. The red, I can't believe how distinctive that red is along with the blue. Unfortunately, the yellow blended a little with the white. There's no real definition in the yellow, but I quite like that corner down there with almost the gentle flame effect. And I like that corner there as well. It's got that geode type effect, which is very, very pretty. But overall, I'm very pleased with it. Not too much of the purple showed up either, but that's not a problem. The colours are gorgeous and I'm happy with the way that has come out, particularly since for me it's a celebration of the beginning of summertime in New Zealand. And the yellow, the sunshine, well, it's kind of blended, but never mind. That's it for me, for my painting for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.